Hey guys, it's me Emily. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing some more Roblox, my Bloxburg night routine. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my house. So it is 9:34, but because I just got home from a long day at work. So we are going to be making just a nice meal. I think we're just going to make a garden salad for dinner. Oops, I don't want to say it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, we gotta click that. I just want a yummy, delicious garden salad. And yeah, guys.
I'm here too.
Yeah, Alex is here too. She is on Bloxburg as well, but she is just making a house. Make sure you go check out her channel too, guys. Alrighty, so let's just get a portion of this. I'm not that hungry, but I'll have 2 servings. I think that should be enough. Whoops. We'll just put the dirty plate there. Portion, eat that. So delicious and nutritious. Okay, so now we are going to place these dirty dishes in here. Place the dirty dish, and then we're going to turn it on.
Sorry guys, I'm a little mad.
Okay, there we go. I'll just put that back in the fridge for tomorrow probably. And now, my nights are normally very late because I work for a late shift. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a shower to get my hygiene up.
I work as a night shift nurturer.
Okay guys, I have a question for you guys. How is your quarantine going? Mine's great.
Mine's great too.
Okay, so now that we're done with my shower, we are going.
Addie joined the game. Addie, I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna go into my room. This is my bedroom, guys. And we're gonna put my pajamas on. We are going to put my pajamas on. Yeah, don't mind my hair, guys. I know it's a mess. And then before we go to bed, I just need to finish up on my schoolwork. Write a book. There we go.
So I wrote my school grade report.
There we go. Just need to finish that up. Now I'm going to watch a little bit of YouTube. There we go. Ooh, let's see what is on. Oh, we're just watching some unicorn. I love unicorn. Okay, guys. We're just going to jump out. And then we are going to go downstairs to turn the power box off because we want to save some energy and save some electricity. And now we're just going to go back into my room and and then I'll just turn the lights on. And then I am just going to lay out my clothes for tomorrow. And now, guys, I'm gonna read a book before I go to bed.
Oh no.
Okay, now we are going to turn my lights off. Okay, guys, so that is the end of the video, and please subscribe down below and like this video if you enjoyed, and please comment down below if you want me to do a morning routine. Bye, guys!